Wells Fargo Center. Going up to 1. You hear it? It's coming. There it is. Ding. Doors open. It's got a green strip. That's neat. Go to L. To L. And reach. Here we go. It says up to 5. Is 5L? Here we are. Here we are on L. Doesn't say what kind. Stagecoach. There it is. There's a stagecoach. See it? See the stagecoach? And there's the escalators. Alright, here we go. Down the escalator. Yeah. It's a little one. So Wells Fargo Tower. You see it? Alright, let's go back up and take the elevator. The middle one, this one. Okay, here we go. There we go. Up, up, up. Yeah. Made a video. Good job holding on. Good job holding on. Okay. Here we are. Good job. All right, get ready. Go. Good job, buddy. Good job. We're just going to do this elevator. I saw a smoke detector. There it is. And a fire lights. You see it? Here we go. Oh, there we go.
That's elevator.
This one to street level. Oh, shiny doors.
That's on the other.
And they have a green strips in them. Oh, it says caution closing. Down to L. Oops. Down to B. S. S. S is street level. Okay? S is street level. We were on L. Now we go down to S street level. Here we go. There we are.
How y'all doing?
Hey, thank you. Gotta press the button and get out, I think. There's the automatic. Automatic. And they open like an elevator door. Now that says fire. Let's film the front of the building. Fargo Tower. Very big. It's got a cool escalators inside. We'll check them out real quick. Just film them. See? There's escalators in there. That's cool, huh? Say bye-bye, YouTube.